Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEBS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 8. So, my dear student, let us start our class. Today is our lecture number 20 of annual term, and there is no HW today. My dear student, our today's topic name exercise 6.2. From 6.2, we shall solve question number A of 20 as your CW. So let us start our class. Dear student, today two equations are given of two variables. By using graph, we need to solve this equation. I repeat, by using graph, we need to solve this equation. Okay, my dear student. So how can we solve these two equations by using graph paper? Now let us consider. From equation 1 we get y equal to 6 minus x. That means at first we convert this equation number 1 as one variable in terms of other variable. Here we express y as the term of x. So y equal to 6 minus x. This is equation number 3. Okay, for different values of x, we take the values of y. So from equation 3, for different values of x, we determine the value of y. So here, when value of x is 1, I repeat, when values of x is 1, then it will be 6 minus 1 means 5. So when 1, then the value of y is 5. When the value of x is 2, that means instead of x, we write here 2. So 6 minus 2 equal to 4. So 4 is the value of y. Again, when we put the value of x equal to 3, then we get 6 minus 3 means 3. So 3, 3. When we put the value of x equal to 4, then we get y equal to 2. So 1, 5, 2, 4, 3, 3, 4, 2 is the point. Okay. Similarly, we shall convert equation 2 in one variable in terms of another variable. So here from equation 2 we get x minus y equal to 2 minus y 2 minus x. That means we multiply both sides by minus 1 and we get y equal to x minus 2. From equation 4, for different values of x, we determine the value of y. Here x, y. When the value of x is 3, then we get y equal to 1. Suppose y equal to x minus 2. When x equal to 3, that means 3 minus 2 equal to 1. Okay. So when x equal to 3, then value of y is 1. When x equal to 4, then 4 minus 2 equal to 2. That means 2. So when x equal to 2, the value of y is 2. Similarly, when x equal to 5, the value of y equal to 3. When x equal to 6, the value of y is 4. My dear student, please listen. When you want to solve two equations in such a way, at first in rough pace you have to solve these two simultaneous equations by using substitution method or elimination method. But here you notice x plus y equal to 6, x minus y equal to 2. So here y contains the opposite sign. That means we cut this to 1 and we get 2x equal to 8. Now x equal to 8 divided by 2, that means 4. So the value of x is 4. On the other hand, when we put the value of x in any equation, so 4 plus y equal to 6, that means y equal to 2. So x equal to 4 and y equal to 2. This is the solution of equation 1. So when you solve this problem in rough section, then it is easier for you to solve. That means this 4, 2 point staying both in this table and also in the table. Here 4, 2, 4, 2. So it is easier for you. Then in graph paper, x o x prime is the x-axis and y o y prime is the y-axis. So first of all we draw. Okay, this is y prime and this is x prime o x. Okay, x o x prime is called x axis and y o y prime is called y axis. In both direction we give arrow marks. Okay, so notice, so o is the origin, o is the origin. Along both x and y axis we consider 5 square equal to 1 unit. Notice, is square, that means 1 square. Here we take 5 square equal to 1 unit, that means 1 2 3 4 5. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7, this is 8. No need to write. Okay, just like this one. And along y axis we take 5 square equal to 1 unit, so this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, now my dear student, at first from equation 1 we get the points 1 5 2 4 3 3 4 2. Now we plot this point on the graph paper. So 1 and 5 along x axis we get 1 and 5, 1 2 3 4 5. So this is the point and its name is 1 5. Here write 1 comma 5. Okay, next 2 4. Here along axis we go 2 and 4, 1 2 3 4. This is 2 4 2 4. This point name is 2 4. Again 3 3. So write 1 2 3 and 3, that means 1 2 and 3. Okay, this is 3 3. Okay, again 4 2. So 1 2 3 4 and 2 means 1 and 2. So here it is 4 2. So now we join and extend this line. When we join, then we get a line. After that we extend this line and we must give arrow marks. Okay, now from equation 2 we get the points 3 1. So here 1 2 3 3 and 1 means here 3 1. Then 4 2. So 4 and 2, this one is 4 2 and it is 3 1 3 1. Okay, this is 4 2, we have already written this. And 5 3, this is 5 and 3 means 1 2 and 3. Okay, 5 3. And then 6 4, 6 and 4 means here. Okay, it is called 6 4. Now we joined these points and get a line. After that we extend this line. Okay, and we must give here arrow marks. My dear student, this is graph of equation 1. This is graph of equation 1. Graph of equation 1. This is graph of equation 2. My dear student, notice graph of equation 1 and graph of equation 2 intersect at the point 4.2. So it is name is P. So this P point is the solution of these two graph. That means notice, now we plot the above points on the graph paper and join, and we get the graph of equation 1 and graph of equation 2. These two graphs, that means two straight line, intersect at P. The coordinates of P is 4 2 4 2. So the solution of the given equation is x comma y equal to 4 comma 2. So my dear student, here you must write along x axis 5 square equal to 1 unit. Okay, along y axis 5 square equal to 1 unit. My dear student, I hope you have understood, and you should bear in mind that when you do rough section to find out solution of this equation, then it is easier for you to consider this point. That means the solution must be present in first table and also in second table. So when you get the solution, then you can easily find the solution of this equation. That means you take this point. Suppose this solution is 4 2, so the 4 2 present in this one, in this table and also in this table. So other points you take. Here I consider 3 5 6. You can take other points just like 7 8 9 10 whatever. Okay, and similarly here 4 to fix, then you can take -1 -2 -4. So you at least take 4 points. Okay, at least take 4 points. I hope you have understood. Just like this one, you can solve the other problems in this chapter. So my dear student, there is no HW today. I hope this class is fruitful for you and you must practice this graph paper solution at home. Keep practicing at home. Abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, assalamu alaikum.